focusing on the VIX. VIX is the symbol. What is that? That's the volatility index. It basically measures volatility over the next 30 days. They call it the fear index because when it's rising, it generally means that people are getting nervous and scared and worried and are buying protection. So let's take a look at the VIX here. It's not really something that we want to trade. However, I've always advocated using protection, using puts, SPY, DIA, IWM, QQQ puts. You can even buy the VXX if you want to play a pure VIX mover, but certainly buying some protection is going to help you when volatility is starting to spike, as we've seen it more recently. So let's take a look at this chart over here, and you can see that we kind of bottomed out over here, this 12 and change level. It was a little bit too low for most people's comfort, and we did see a lot of put buying coming in because the VIX remained elevated even as the markets were going down, and that was kind of in this area here towards the end of July. We've seen a breakout here this month in August, and the candles have turned blue. They were teal, now they're blue, which is a strong bullish condition for this particular instrument, which is the VIX. So we do have the 200-day moving average coming in at around just under 19% here, and we can see some of the other indicators on this fear index are starting to show some bullish qualities as well too. The TVI here in the middle, which actually is the how relative strength compares with Bollinger Bands. It's very bullish over here. The MACD has turned to a bullish buy signal as well. Let's take a look, pan out on another chart here, and take a look at a wider view with bigger candles of the VIX here, and you can see where this how strong this candle is today on actually on yesterday on August 8th, and we can see that the breakout over here is strong. And again, the markets can have a lot of damage done to it while the VIX is in spiking mode, and it is in spiking mode right now. When is it going to come down? I don't know. That's not a question that I ever have to answer. I have to pay attention for when it comes down. So when we get a big pop in volatility, as we did back here in March, and it comes back down in a very sharp and short way, then that'll be a clue that maybe people are going to start selling volatility. But as of today or yesterday, people are not selling volatility here. They're buying volatility. They're buying protection. They're worried that the markets are going to go down. And of course, with a lot of inflation data coming out this week and earnings coming out later on in the week as well too, people, understandably are going to be a little bit nervous and a little bit worried about markets going down. So pay attention to what volatility is doing. The VIX is an important component in determining the risk management that you make in your accounts and your trading. Okay, so that's the VIX, VIX symbol. Be careful here. Stocks, stocks are going down when the VIX is rising here. So thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next.